Hey everyone, we thought we'd do a quick video for you about our visit to the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show this February. So we're visiting the show on Saturday, the 26th of February, and we're going to be at the stand-up paddleboarding area in Hall 5 between 12 and 2. So if you want to come and say hello, that would be fantastic. We love to meet our subscribers. This channel's nothing without you viewing our videos, so please come along, say hello. We're going to have some of our stickers with us as well, so come and grab one of those for free from us and stick it on your van, stick it anywhere you like. We love to say hello and love to see you. Hopefully you've got tickets to the show. It is sold out now on all the different days, but they have just launched a site where you can pick up tickets that other people are selling because they now can't go. So if they've bought tickets, they want to sell them on, have a look at that site. It's linked to from the main show site. Yeah, have a look at that. You might be able to pick tickets up for yourself. You never know. We're really excited about going. There's loads to see at the show. Loads of motorhomes, caravans, accessories, campervans. It's packed, and when we've been before, it's been a real treat to see everything in one place. Loads of awnings usually on display. Like I say, loads of accessories and things. They've got some great converters there, van converters there. Westfalia are there as well, so really keen to have a look at some of theirs that they're going to have there. If you want to see a California, an actual Volkswagen California, Volkswagen aren't there this year, but if you go to Campervantastic, I'm absolutely sure that Steve at Campervantastic will be there with one of his Californias. He shares a stand with Kayam, and Steve usually brings a load of goodies along from Brandrup and just kits the van out head to toe in anything he can find just so people can see it. So definitely head down there and have a look at that as well if you're in Hall 5, which is where most of the campervan stuff is. Looking at the map here, it's all on the website. You can find the show guide and the map. Hall 3 is a load of motorhomes as well if you're interested in all of that. If you want to buy a park home, go to Hall 4 because they're all there, and they are absolutely massive. It's quite amazing how you can see those in an exhibition centre. And like I say, Hall 5, just down the bottom here in that green area there, that's where we're going to be, and we'll be there 12 till 2. Hopefully we'll see you there. Take care, have a safe journey there if you're going, and we'll see you again soon for some more California time.